ADP Employee Login. Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Without any further delay, let us get started. Open up any of your preferred web application, then at the top search bar, type in ADP Employee Login. Just as it used to, you will see ADP that says Logins ADP. Click onto it. It is also its official website. Then you will land onto a page like this. In here, you will see Sign In on your right-hand side. Click onto it again. And now here, in order to sign into your ADP, first of all, you have to pick what best describes you. You can choose any of these options that fits you. And as you choose the option, you will get landed onto a page like this. It totally depends upon the option that you have chosen. In my case, this is what appears. So let's go ahead and enter our user ID. Once done, if you would like this site to remember your user ID, then check the box that says Remember User ID. Once you do so, click on to Next. Now at this box, you have to type in your ADP password. Then click on to Sign In. If your credentials are correct, you will successfully get logged into your ADP account. In case you have forgotten your password, click on Forgot Password and get help resetting your account. Just like so, this is how you can do it. That's all for today. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. If it had helped you in any ways, then do like and subscribe.